Alright, welcome to part 2 of the SAP website and the new SAP website tutorial. Hopefully part 1 was informative and you felt like you were introduced to the posts and articles section from the website. This particular article will talk about resources and MyPIC GMTs. Resources includes representatives, SAP bylaws, anything that would be considered a resource. It's not quite as built out as the one on the old website was, but we hope to include seniority list and attrition numbers sooner than later. So I just wanted to really address SAP documents and archives, which is this page here, and just give you a chance to kind of get introduced to this file tree. It's pretty simple, just a file tree is all it is. But you can go in and see professional standards, documents, or newsletters, or minutes that may have been posted and see what's been happening there. So anyway, it just allows good access to those. If you want to see the RSR reports or scheduling surveys, just simply click on that and click on the RSR reports, the year you're interested in, and then the base, and that should bring up the reports for you. And you can just click on those and it'll download, and you'll have, typically, depending on what the file is, if it's a PDF or a Word document, you'll have that file downloaded. So that pretty much describes the resources page. We have the MyPIC and GMT page, which allows you to track or basically add new PICs or GMTs and track your existing ones. So I have actually filed a test one here, a test PIC. You can see the file number, the date file, the incident date, and if it's time critical, and then the description. And if you're interested in seeing more about your PIC you filed, just click the View button, and it will show you the individual case with the number and when it was filed, that same information, plus your desired outcome, any policy references that have been used, and then any comments. And this includes what's happened to that particular PIC, if it's been reviewed, or where it is in the PIC process. So it allows pilots to really see what's happening to their PIC. And then we have we'll go back to the same previous page, and then we'll have the GMTs. And I have some test GMTs here, but the same type of formatting gives an idea of where it is and then what's kind of happened to it. So now if you want to add a new PIC GMT, simply click that button, and then you'll have the ability to add your PIC or GMT, outline if it's time critical or not, when it happened, and then it will obviously record when you submitted the report or this PIC GMT, and then your description, resolution, and policy references. And that's pretty much the resources and MyPIC GMT pages.